Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Deluxe Egg Bite Maker, which I literally just picked up from the Amazon store here in Austin. And at the time of this shooting, it's being sold at a special price of around $24. Now the box says it's a special sous style cooking device, which means it uses water and steam to best heat and cook the food to the optimal doneness. Anyways, stay tuned and we'll get to it. So this isn't something that I would normally pick up, but my wife loves to have eggs for breakfast on the weekend, and then she also thought this looked cute. So what's good about this is that it comes in 3 different colors, and I think for the price, it's something we definitely wanted to try out. So according to the instruction, it not only cooks eggs, but can be used to prepare all kinds of things such as desserts, like mini cheesecakes and custards, and other paleo, keto, or gluten-free foods. So looking at the image on the box, I assume because it looks like a hot plate, you can also use it to make grilled cheese sandwiches because it's also the size of a sandwich, as well as pancakes and even waffles without that grid-like pattern. Anyways, let's do what we usually do and start by unboxing this thing. So first things first, this little device is marketed for that first-time apartment, a smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper RV traveling to make mini desserts such as cheesecake or custard, and also egg snacks and treats, all at the push of a single button. This comes with an assortment of silicone trays as well as a recipe book to get started, and takes roughly 15 minutes to prepare most snacks. The device itself is small and can fit in the palm of your hand. It comes in 3 colors, black, red, and this light green color, and weighs only 2 pounds. You can make either sandwich-sized treats and snacks or little finger food and bite-sized snacks to take with you. It's got a Teflon non-stick surface for easy cleaning and, like I said, is the size of a sandwich. And for the purpose of testing this out, I'm going to attempt to use it to make a simple omelet-like patty. For most snacks, all you need is a small amount of water, which you can measure out using the smaller silicone cups. This cooks your egg evenly by creating steam and surrounding the silicone tray with evenly heated water. Next, all you have to do is fill the silicone tray with your favorite ingredients and your beaten egg mix. The instructions do recommend that you grease the silicone to keep your food from sticking. Then you just have to wait 15 minutes while it cooks. I use this time to fill the mini silicone trays to create some bite-sized snacks as well. The large silicone tray holds about 2 eggs worth, and then you can also divide about 2 eggs into the 4 smaller silicone trays. But that also depends on how many other ingredients you add to the mix. It's supposed to notify you when it's ready, but I didn't hear any kind of tone or alarm. I just opened it after 15 minutes to find a yummy treat. One thing to caution you about though is the silicone is pretty hot. And at my first attempt, it didn't look like it cooked all the way through or evenly. So I decided to put it back and heat it for a little bit longer. I do want to warn you though, that the device does get hot to the touch, so be careful. After about another 5 minutes, I took it back out and tried it again. Perfect. The mini silicone cups cook a little bit faster, and you can put all 4 of them into the tray itself. You may notice a little bit or a lot of steam coming out of the device. This is normal. It's just the water heating up and cooking your food. You'll want to make sure that you don't overfill the silicone trays because the egg mixture will expand as it cooks. The mini-sized egg tarts are great for a road trip, or even snacks if you're in a hurry. So what do I think about this little egg making device? It does seem to work well, at least for our initial use, and it does taste good. But then again, how hard is it to mess up an egg? For the price, I definitely think it's worth it and quite useful. It does take a little bit more time and effort to prepare than if I was to cook the egg in a pan, but I think there is good use for it, especially if you're trying to prepare a snack or the perfect size sandwich or meal. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please support this channel by smashing that like button and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Please also click that bell icon so you get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.